And away they go. Moving well. The great man himself. Usain Bolt. Also going well up in lane 7. Keegan Campbell of DC Costa. But it's Usain Bolt. And we also look to lane 3 for his teammate, Edina Steele. So Usain Bolt traveling very controlled, moving inexorably along now. As he comes into the straight now. Usain Bolt. And then we've got Edina Steele and Peter Matthews. Usain Bolt into the straight now. In lane 5, we've got Shubin Sticker of Cameron Basin. This is Cameron doing unattached. But it's going to be Usain Bolt from Edina Steele. And then Shubin Sticker of Cameron Basin. But here he's just got a chance to see the great man himself. And the time 46.137. 46.137 is the time.